Hey guys, sorry, just want to finish up my last slide here. My aha moment and my questions. My biggest aha moment from this class thus far, I mean, do have 1 week to go, was that my teaching strategies that I use in my brick and mortar classroom fit with the student-centered ideas of Rice and the other readings that we've had throughout the semester. While I do not think I am a perfect by any stretch of the imagination in terms of meeting the student-centered every day, all the time kind of thing, I don't think I give myself enough credit for what I do in my class and my teaching abilities. As a very self-reflective person, I have found myself questioning if I do enough for my students, or am I more the ringmaster, or are they capable of doing things on their own, and I can just let go of the reins, so to speak. I often question myself if I do enough, or if I'm doing the right thing for my students and for the lesson. The readings, projects, and discussion boards and posts have helped me garner ways to better the methods that I am already using and/or use my methods effectively online. My biggest concern at the beginning of the course was how do you make teaching student-centered, and how can I do that within my comfort zone? Excuse me. Both these questions have been answered plentifully, and I thank everyone for helping me in that process. My burning question, if you will, or questions, is I still want to learn ways to use discussion boards effectively, especially to ensure all students are participating. The ideas and uses I mentioned above were sparked by the Rice reading, but I was also trying to think of ways that I could use them in a math-focused class. I also want to continue learning how to grade the discussion boards properly and effectively, and making sure students are using them effectively. Rice mentions different ways of doing so, but if I'm not supposed to grade for accuracy in answering a question right or wrong, how do I utilize a discussion page effectively or grade it effectively? So those are my aha moments. Keep on keeping on what I'm doing, and then the questions as you see there, I kind of just asked. But again, sorry guys, I've gone over 17 minutes, but I appreciate all your inputs and your responses. Take care, guys. Have a good night. Bye bye.